You can't even see Australia where we are. It's so freaking cool. So anyway, another day, another adventure.
Oh, you ready for some pancakes, bro?
Oh yeah, we're gonna cook banana pancakes. Let's have while we have a coffee. It's a slow morning, you know. It's a process. We're cruising first, you know.
I didn't quite nail this pancake.
Wait, this is what it's like surviving on islands, right? Organic frozen berries. Even we are down to rations, but, you know, come on. Oh! You can't get rid of me. There's like a comfy bed down there. Living ain't easy when you're having a good time in paradise.
I was kind of considering going over to West Bay today.
Oh yeah? Should we dive there then pull anchor?
Yeah.
Like just so we can have a look around those rocks and stuff?
Yeah.
So we've got a coffee. Your old man's rocked up. We've got a coffee for him.
Yeah, we're delivering a coffee.
And what are we going to do today, Sagey boy?
We're taking Dad to the caves that we've been swimming for the past few days.
Let's go and say hi to some sharks.
Oh, we've got a coffee for you.
We've got a coffee for you, you mad dog.
Today.
We just ran out of fuel.
Okay.
Yeah, it was
We haven't made it.
Yeah, we made it there to get. But how are we going to get back? We're going to have to paddle that way back.
Figure it out.
I'm just going to. Yeah, we just walk over. There's a little cave system down in here under all these rocks, and it has all these little inlets. So I'm going to dive down here, go through this tunnel, turn, go through another tunnel, and pop up over there. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This guy's bloody crazy. Yeah, bro.
Oh shit. Alright, where's he going to pop out? Up here somewhere. How's this? Alright, let's do it together. I'll take the camera.
This is so sick. That's pretty nice.
There's nowhere for me to go other than where you were.
Yeah.
Right at the end there, I was like, oh, hurry up, dude, hurry up.
Yeah.
I got nowhere to go.
I was fighting the current.
So we run out of fuel.
Tends to be what happens, eh?
Stroke!
What happens when you run out of fuel?
Stroke!
A little bit to go.
Fight the tide.
Yeah, we're fighting the tide, and we've got to pull anchor to set sail around the other side of the island.
Quick!
With the tide.
Gotta catch the tide.
Somebody help us! Sandra!
Come and get us.
Yeah, out of here. Asked them if they had rice or coffee to trade for a fish, and they just said, mate, we'll just give you some coffee, we'll give you some rice. They even gave us some pasta, a few carbs. You know, it's just like, it's just humanity looking after each other. It's sick. All those problems that I thought I had, you know, back in the real world over there, you know, they're just nothing. But where the homestead is, there's another bay called West Bay on the other side, and it's got an A-frame that was built years ago for the yachties for a bit of refuge, and it's become like this like central hub for yachties to gather. And I can camp near there. I'm not allowed to camp at the A-frame, but so I thought that's where I'll set up my base camp, you know, because there's a water source near, there's potential to meet other yachties and trade and everything. Then we'll just go up and meet them and say, hey, you know, we're cruising on the island, and we're gonna use some driftwood and whatever we find to try build a little structure, and yeah, just kind of let them know out of a bit of respect.
That little hill over there.
Behind that little hill.
Oh, that's one of your eggs, mate.
I like this. Whoa, whoa.
Sage, sure this is the right way?
See, look, we've got a track. It's hot, we're sweating. We're on the way to the homestead. So we're gonna get there on dark, but hopefully the leaseholders, the cooks are there, and then we can ask them if we can build a hut on this island and tell them that my intention is to camp here for a while. And
If they're not there, we'll leave a note.
with the pen and paper that we bought, if they're not there.
Their fridge.
Yeah, if they're not there, we'll break into their house, get a pen and paper, write them a note.
And
Have something
leave them a
to
beer.
Yeah, it's pretty freaking hot on my new home. How do you guys like my new home? This is my backyard.
Pretty beautiful backyard.
On the way up.
That's where we are.
So we've done.
How many? Oh, 4.4 kilometres.
Well, we're about 500 metres to this homestead, and we're about half an hour before dark, with an hour and a half hike back.
Perfect.
Hello, the cooks. How the hell are you? How you going, mate?
Yeah, so grab a feed,
Yeah.
welcome to it, and whatnot, so all good.
Is there some good spearing and diving on this side?
In the
fine.
lagoon,
Lagoons are right for
coral
diving.
trout, yeah.
In the lagoon?
back,
Well, man,
At the
back in
en-
the lagoon.
at the
in the
entrance?
lagoon. Yeah, no, in the lagoon on
Yeah.
high tide.
Oh,
It dries
awesome.
out completely.
Yes. Yeah.
And whatnot, so
I thought it was
Oh,
going
my
to
sweet home. Would you like a scratch?
Maybe new neighbours. Exciting just because there's such nice people, and also just to talk to him. He's been sailing his whole life. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
I'm so freaking excited. Tomorrow, we literally get to do a childhood dream. We get to build a hut on an island to live in.
It's true.
You know what I mean? We even have permission of the leaseholder. It's like, The Blue Lagoon. I literally lived my whole life because of the movie The Blue Lagoon. And we're going to build a hut to live in. I'm just so fucking excited. The only other person on this island when you go lives in his boat in the lagoon.
And what did the owner of the house tell you about him?
Yeah, schizophrenic, bipolar. Yeah, he's pretty good.
You're gonna leave, and I'm gonna be. Oh my god, I'm gonna be shitting
You're
myself.
gonna be on the island by yourself with this schizophrenic, bipolar dude.
That has been isolated himself for 20 years here.
Fuck, bro.
Lucky Wild
It's
Earth
a
gave me
horror
machete.
story.
Thanks, Wild Earth. Always got me back.
It's so close to going, man. I reckon
Mate, we have to eat it because we're surviving
after
this shit.
tomorrow, I don't think that this is going to be edible.
Oh, can we eat that before you go?
Oh, nah, that's mine.
Look at it. Is there something?
I don't know, but I don't want it in my papaya. So we better dig into that after we eat the on the verge banana.
Mate, my mum would make a great banana bread with that.
Yeah. Good night, brother. Sweet dreams.
Sure, bro. Pulled anchor, we're on our way to West Bay to build a hut.
We're at the Percy Islands, baby. Yeah.
Can't believe I'm going to be left on this island by myself. With one other guy who lives on a boat who's schizophrenic. Oh, here's a turtle. Sailing through uncharted water right now.
Scooting in between rocks. I reckon we'll go in between that rock as well.
Like imagine just like camping on that secluded beach to yourself and then diving this ridgeline, getting some fish, having a fire, cooking. You know, there's just so much to explore.
Bro, where we're going right now is going to be one of the most beautiful places you've ever been, eh? It's so incredible.
My new home.
The lagoon.
My new home. Wow, this is narrow, isn't it? What's going on, you mad dogs? Hey,
You get to see Joshua Sealing too.
It's insane. What's going on, mate?
Hey, mate.
Wow, what a ship. Look at that thing. And he built that.
We're just going to do a little U-turn through this mangrove section and then probably go and drop the pick back over there where the sand's nice.
For those of you that are frequent watchers of this channel, remember this moment because this played a role in my future more than I can explain in this video right now. I'm very excited to share with you what it is when the time is right.
I open my eyes to the horizon. All I see in my life is a bunch of islands. It is empty with a nice breeze that's moving our beings islands left and right is how I like to live my life, staring into the empty horizon as I appreciate everything, taking nothing for granted. And no, 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 I take nothing for granted. 'Cause
I'm never leaving.
Yeah, you'll stay now.
I like it here.
Yeah, alright.
So, should we go get some fish in these mangroves?
Should we? Alright. We've got a hut to build on the beach.
Oh, yeah.
So why don't we do that on sunset because it's a bit hot? Why don't we go for a dive while the tide's up?
Yeah.
And then go out as it drops,
Yeah.
take some beers and go assess the hut situation.
I reckon. Let's have a dig.
Let's go check it out. How does it feel to shoot a trevally and provide lunch for the morning, you know, the land providing the lunch and you providing it, you know?
Well, it's been a couple of days, you know, of eating fish that you've caught, and you know, I've really appreciated that, and it's been really nice. But each day, you know, I've had opportunities to shoot a fish, but didn't take it. Yeah, it feels good to provide the food, but it also, like, I feel the life of this fish, and I feel responsible for taking its life, which is like the next level of becoming, you know, somebody who's living off the land, and not relying on the supermarkets and, you know, boats traveling across oceans to provide tofu, you know, with a massive carbon footprint. So it feels good. It feels good, and yeah, I can't wait to eat it.
I don't know, I've always said, you know, like living off grid, the more I connect to nature, the more this shit becomes real. And it's fucking so hard because it's so hard to take a life of something. Yeah, look at that. Now we'll leave the skin on, but you can feel where the bones are and cut the bloodline out. Like just there, so you can cut a V down there and have 2 fillets with that.
Yeah.
And feel. I'm gonna put this rice on.
Yeah.
How's that? Pineapple, garlic, onion, rice, and the trevally you just caught, sriracha mayo.
Thank you, fish. I'm so grateful for your nourishment, and wow, just thank you so much for feeding us and nourishing our bodies, and yeah, I really appreciate you. Sorry I took your life, but
Thank you for adding to ours.
yeah, yes indeed. Oh, that fish.
So good, eh?
So good.
Are you getting bitten by mosquitoes? Shut the hatches. We're doing it. We're gonna go to this hut, start foraging, start building this shit.
See you, Pearl.
Hi, Pearl.
Thanks for getting us here.
Yeah, we're hiking over to West Bay, which is gonna be my new home. Go check out the Percy Island Yacht Club, which is the A-frame, the famous A-frame, and see if we can make a hut on the beach.
Love how they've laid like coconut shells to outline the walkway.
Yeah. Book exchange. Oh my god. Kidding.
Oh, you got a book exchange set up here, bro.
I didn't need to bring the 3 books I bought.
I'm back at the A-frame. Can't believe it.
The famous A-frame, the Percy Island Yacht Club. So this island is just known for a safe haven for yachties going up the coast.
So crazy to be back here. We needed some eggs. I wonder how much they are. $10 a carton. Look, I'm alright. I'm happy to pay that.
Oh, I'm gonna stock up on Percy Island honey. Woo! I think I'm gonna spend like $80 on this honey, so that every time I use honey, it's from the Percy Island.
Yeah,
for the next like 6 months.
And I'm going to build a hut just down there, or we're going to build a hut just down there, and then this is where I'm going to be. Woo! I'm just saying, this looks like a pretty good spot to build like a hut. Or some type of shelter, a little bit more protection around here, and a bit of shade coming off that palm.
You could even use the corner of this coconut
tree. That's what I was thinking.
You could use that as some sort of initial
Post.
stable post.
Yeah, exactly. I wonder if there is bamboo somewhere, you know? Yeah. Let's go forage and see what we can find. I'm gonna put this camera down. You know, it's beautiful, surrounded by all the mangroves and everything. Very beautiful place. But at night there's fucking mosquitoes, mate.
So many mosquitoes.
It's the most beautiful place ever, like we told you earlier. Just on the high tide, but just so you know. Only half the time it's the most beautiful place ever. When Sage leaves in a few days, it's going to be so weird. It's going to be me on an island by myself. Dude, I'm doing a vlog and I can't stop laughing.
Oh, what's going on down there?
Like being in heaven, but then we come back and it was like mosquito den, so we've been down there playing cards.
Yeah.
And I was just saying how ridiculous it's getting that, like...
It sounded like you were on the phone. I was like, he's getting reception.
Oh, well, I was talking to these guys.
Oh, true. Hey, guys.
Well, I think I'll go to bed, because tomorrow we're going to keep building a hut. We've got to get it done. He's going in a couple of days. Otherwise, I'm going to be battling.